All right. A few days ago, this Dodge Caravan, which belongs to a friend of mine that is unfortunate enough to be in a wheelchair, replaced her radio. But I didn't have sorry for the delay. I didn't have this adapter for the antenna cable. Aftermarket radios have the old-fashioned old-fashioned antenna connection, and Chrysler has got a special one that uses an end like this. So I got to pull this radio back out, and this is got a trim panel around the edges, and you just kind of just wiggle it. You can get a little pry tool and put in here and put in there, but these clips right here just snap into these slots. My goodness, it's a little hot out here today. Like I say, I did this a couple of weeks ago, and all that holds even the factory radio in is just these 4 screws here. I've tried to do this left-handed, which is a little difficult for me, but not too bad. Now the other radio just quit playing. I understand that it's a chip. Through heat and vibration, it gets disconnected from the circuit board, and if you're good enough, you can flow the solder. But we didn't want to do that. She wanted another radio, so we found this for a bargain, and she's quite happy with it. And but she'd like to have her FM back. So the 4 screws out, and it just kind of slides right out of here. And all we have to do is, I'm gonna flip it over so I can get to the connection. Only up on the dash. I've heat shrinked everything here, so she's not gonna have any problem with that. And where is it? Here's the antenna. And what do I do with it? What do I do with that cable? Well, rat's ass. Where is it? Oh, here it is, sitting on it. So all we gotta do is just, well, I can't show you and do it. We're just gonna snap it. So, then plug it into the back of the radio, like so. And that should do it. So we'll put it back in the car. And seat the mounting plate back in here, like so. Put the screw back in it. Well, kind of bouncy. All right, we'll do this one then. Ooh. It's much easier two-handed. Another screw. Put it in this hole. It's kind of hard to reach. Got fat fingers. In there. It's just so easy. These radios are very easy to get out of these Caravans. We would have put a replacement factory radio in, but they are coded to the computer. And oh darn it. That's just not working out. Screw in here. Double check, be sure they're nice and tight. Yep. In there. Place this back in the slot here. I gotta line these ears up to these slots. Kind of have to look through this crack here and get them just right. And give it a push, and give it a push, and there it is. All right, it's that easy. Yep. Appreciate y'all watching my video. Have yourself a great day.